What's number 2 on the countdown list? Let's take a look at number 2. Number 2 is about identify shortcuts in HTML pop-ups. I'm looking at the building footprints here in brown. What if I wanted to change the color to green? Typically, I would have to search through this rather long list in my table of contents to find the right layer. But with ArcGIS 9.3, you can use the Identify tool, simply identify one of these buildings, right mouse click on the result, and navigate immediately to the layer properties to update the symbology. So that means no more hunting through that long list of tables or layers trying to find the layer you are interested in. The second part of the improvements is a new capability for layers called HTML pop-up. You can choose to enable the HTML pop-up dialog, use the new pop-up tool, and when you identify the feature, you'll see a nice formatted window that you can design the style, complete with a leader line to the map that updates as you pan and navigate around the map. You can use this for attribute data. You can also use it for web page links and other multimedia content, giving you some different options for how you look at your attribute information. You didn't like that one? I like that one. I guess you were just waiting for number 1. So what is number 1 on the countdown list? I think it was pretty clear from the video that everybody wants us to focus on software quality. Every year, we do our best. With ArcGIS 9.3, we fixed thousands of bugs, we optimized performance, and we improved stability. Can I demonstrate all of those improvements for you now in the next minute? Probably not. But what I can show you is one very significant improvement to try to eliminate some of those random crashes. What we've added is a new error reporting system. In the event of a crash, you will get a dialog that gives you the capability to automatically and anonymously report directly to the development team as to where in the software that crash occurred. So for the first time ever on our user conference stage, I would now like to purposely crash the software. This is a custom button that you don't get. But what this will do is simulate the crash, and this is the dialog you might see. You have the choice to send the error report or don't send it, but before you make that decision, I'd like to ask that you watch the video from the development team about what happens behind the scenes when you do send us the report.
Hi, I'm Todd Stellhorn. I'm the development lead for ArcGIS 9.3. On the development team, we're constantly working at improving software quality and eliminating the random crashes that we know can be frustrating for you. One of the significant changes we made at ArcGIS 9.3 is the introduction of the crash reporting system. So what happens if the application does encounter a problem and you see this dialog? First, we ask that you please send us the error report. The report will tell us the exact location in the software where the crash occurred. What happens next is quite an interesting process. When the crash report is sent to our development team, it's immediately compared against all other known issues to determine if this is a known problem. Just like when the police are scanning fingerprints looking for a match, we're scanning crash reports looking for known issues. If we find a match, then we mark it as occurring more frequently. If this is a new issue, the system automatically creates a new bug report, which is immediately sent to a development programmer. From the report, we're able to quickly determine the exact location where the crash occurred. Our programmers can then quickly determine the cause in many cases. If you're a user and you encounter a crash, please send us your feedback. If you're a developer writing your own code, we've also exposed our symbol servers, which will help you identify if your software is causing a conflict with the core software and causing the crash. Our goal is to drastically reduce the random crashes of the past. The fixes will be rolled into service packs and releases as effectively as we can, but we need your feedback to help ensure quality releases now and in the future. Thank you for helping with this effort.
These were just a few of the many enhancements that I think you'll find in ArcGIS 9.3, which will hopefully save you time and that you'll enjoy. Thank you.